And Megan, we're starting with a really cool segment here outside.
That's right. We're actually starting with a cutting-edge technology that's revolutionizing the manufacturing world. We have got Eric from MSI, Viking, and Scott to kind of show us this incredible technology. Y'all, this is cool. We love that you hooked up the plaza. We want to say a big old thank you to D2 Power Sports Spartanburg for bringing the ATVs and motorcycles.
Yeah, so when we first started talking about MSI Viking, we were like, what do you guys do? And you guys explained it in a really cool way with the word that we had never heard, which is metrology.
Yes, and now we want to say it whenever we can.
Absolutely. My name is Eric, and we're here today to demonstrate the new Hexagon Absolute Arm. It's been revolutionizing the manufacturing industry. And then Scott and his team are going to show us how it works.
Because this is something that people may not just, you may not be like, oh, the Hexagon arm. But it does so much.
Yeah, so you can see here we're actually scanning, and what this does, it takes a 3D image of the part, and that way we can use that to compare against a CAD model to tell if there's a part conformance. Is it a good or bad part, or do we need to make a shift?
Yeah, I think it's great that MSI, Viking, and Hexagon together working to make what manufacturing does like a whole lot easier, more efficient, more innovative. So I think it's cool that you guys are able to do that, because we see these big toys, we don't ever think about how they work and what makes them work more efficiently, but that's what you guys are in the business of. So we're seeing the video right now of the Hexagon arm. Well, how would you explain this to a person who doesn't know anything about anything that they're seeing? What is happening?
So it's really like, instead of taking a camera and taking a 3D picture, we're using the arm to get a 3D image, so it's really more of a 3D point cloud. So within that point cloud, as I said, compared to a CAD model, we can get exact tolerances and size down into the thousandths of an inch.
Awesome, and the scanning is happening right now as we're seeing it, and it's really cool. It looks like something from the movies, right? To be able to see that happening. And what does this scanning, like, what does this help you guys do? Like,
really, it's used heavily in all sorts of manufacturing, from automotive, aerospace, appliance manufacturing, really anybody making any parts that need to make sure that they're going to fit and function when it gets out to the consumer.
Okay, and so this part, is this made at the facility in Greer?
So
or there's a faculty in Greer that has things. What's that connection?
Yeah, so this actual Honda vehicle is made in Timmonsville, South Carolina, at the Honda ATV plant. And so, yeah, that's why we brought it here today, because there's a lot of manufacturing in South Carolina. We're heavily involved with a lot of that manufacturing. So anything I said is from aerospace, automotive, appliance manufacturing, HVAC, all those things that you touch day to day really have to get manufactured to be able to work properly, and so we help them with that capability.
I'm going to go on this side so we can get a better look at this here, but take a look, Eric, if you can zoom in on the screen. I really want to see what's happening on the screen so you really get an idea of that model and how the scanning is actually going through that. For people that are interested in the collaboration that you guys have, they're interested to know what other things you guys do in our area and other teams that you work with, because you guys do everything from race cars to ATVs. Can they go online and kind of go through that and take a look at some of the other things that you guys are doing?
Yes, sir. We're heavily involved in all types of manufacturing, from medical down to ATVs. Anybody that's interested in this technology or a technology similar can go to www.msi-viking.com. And check out a full range of products. Hexagon and the other OEMs we partner with offer a wide range of products and services.
What is the coolest part of your job?
Coolest part of my job is working
Other than being on TV in the cold.
I'd have to say the cold weather tops it, but no, it's just it's helping manufacturers make great parts. So whether it's a medical product, an aerospace product, or a automotive or ATV product, it's just this is an awesome job being to help other people.
Does it work too as if someone watching saying, huh, I bet if I had something like that, that would make our job and life easier. Can you work with them to then invent something, or is it like, hey, we'll check out this product? How could that work?
Yeah, absolutely. So we offer free metrology consulting. So anybody that manufactures things, puts things together, we can get with you to figure out the best product for your particular situation.
And how long would this scan take? I feel like he's being so meticulous and going over each and everything.
Well, Brian is a perfectionist.
Of course.
One of the nice things about this product is it takes something that took hours and turns it into minutes. And as you can see here, Brian's, he probably could have been done with the whole ATV by now.
And if you're not scanning and you're not using that, then what could happen if you're not using, and having this technology?
Well, it can be a safety issue, I guess, more than anything. It can be cosmetic, but more than anything, it's a safety component.
I mean, I think it's so cool, Jamarcus, when we were first meeting about this, we were learning words we'd never learned before.
I didn't know what metrology meant, but then when you find out what it is and you realize that everything that you see basically has some type of metrology, component to it. which is, it makes you appreciate it a whole lot more. So thank you guys so much for bringing this technology out. Thank you, Brian, for doing the scan of all scans.
Yes.
He did all the things.
And for using tools that we understand. Once they said like ATVs and motorcycles, got it.
Yeah,
This
there was
speaks
going to be
to
a
us.
motorcycle here too, but it was too much octane for
Yes.
the Camperdown Plaza.
Yes.
Thank you guys so much for being here again, and remind us one more time how we can go online and find more about Hexagon and MSI Viking.
Absolutely. Thank you again for having us. You can go to MSI's website, www.msi-viking.com, and then www.hexagon.com as well.
Thank you. This is a collaboration of all collaborations. We appreciate you guys getting us started here on a Friday on the Plaza. We're going to go back inside and get more warmed up, but we want to say thank you, a special thank you to D2 Power Sports of Spartanburg for providing these toys for our morning show today. We really appreciate their support of this program.